Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel, and for today's video, I'm going to take you with us to Tokyo! Nandito kami ngayon guys sa Wheeler Express Bus Terminal to take a sleeper bus or overnight bus from Osaka to Tokyo. 10:50 PM pa ang departure ng bus namin kaya dito muna kami tumambay. We decided to take a night bus because it's a very affordable way to get to Tokyo. Ayan na guys, pasakay na kami! We got our tickets for 5,500 yen each, or in pesos around 2,200. We booked our tickets at wheelerexpress.com. Travel tip, purchase your tickets in advance kasi para siyang plane tickets, mas mahal siya pag malapit na yung travel date. So ito itsura ng night bus. It's not bad for its ticket price. Medyo narrow lang yung upuan. Perfect to sa mga solo traveler kasi may division sa gitna, meron kang privacy. The travel duration from Osaka to Tokyo is around 8 hours, so tamang-tama pagising namin nasa Tokyo na kami. Good morning guys! Kararating lang namin dito sa Shinjuku Bus Terminal. Tara, let's explore Tokyo! Hey guys, nandito kami ngayon sa Lawson to have a quick breakfast before kami gumala. We bought this honey milk latte from UCC and also this ham and cheese sandwich and then this famous egg sandwich. We also bought this croquette. Tingnan natin kung masarap ba. So tapos na kaming mag-breakfast ng anak ko and kasama ko na ngayon ang sister ko and her husband. We're now at the bus stop to take a bus to our first destination. Tara, let's go! Harajuku, try nyo to. Sobrang sarap. Hindi matamis, then crispy siya. So right now we're going to try McDonald's or Macku in Japanese. sa barbecue.
Ito matene. Magkampay tayo. Mamaya open na.
Kami rin na, kami rin.
Kahit konti lang. Ayun. Ay, kampay!
Kampay! Kampay na! Kampay! 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 We're now back at Tokyo, guys, and that white building across the street is our hotel. We're finally inside the room, guys, and ngayon lang kami nakapag-check-in because when we arrived this morning, we are way too early for the check-in time. As I expected, the room is small, which is typical sa mga Japanese hotel. Even the bathroom is tiny, but I'm not complaining at all. I was able to book this room for just 3,996 per night, which is a very good deal considering that it's located in Shinjuku. This is the view from our room, guys, and what I like about this hotel is malapit lang siya sa mga convenience stores like Lawson and Family Mart, and it's also next to Higashi Shinjuku station.
Too long, but I don't wanna come down. Caught up in a long free fall, you got me off of the ground. Sway for a minute, the plane moves side to side.
Lasang-lasa mo talaga yung mochi. Ay, mochi. Lasang-lasa mo talaga yung green tea. Hindi siya matamis. May pagka-bitter siya ng konti. Pero masarap pa rin. Gusto mong makatikim ng matcha talaga. Ito masarap. Warabi mochi. Yan. We're now back in Shinjuku, guys, and we're going to stop here at Family Mart near our hotel to grab some food. Good morning, guys! It's day 6 of our Japan trip, and today we are going on a day tour to Mount Fuji!
You make me wanna be with somebody, doing things that I usually don't. Find my way through the hotel lobby, make the same when I'm on my own. All my friends think I'm with somebody, doing things that I usually don't. Find my way through the hotel lobby, make the same when I'm on my own. Up, down, on the road, I've been around the floor. Rooftops, sliding doors, just wanna know you more. I hope you wanna be with somebody, spending all of the night moonwalking, and with the view she could see her building. Try to tell her I know I feel it.
Yeah, laban Japan!
When I'm on my slow me down when I'm living fast. You make me wanna be with somebody, doing things that I usually
Guys, we're so sad. Bigla na lang nagtago si Fuji-san. Kaya this trip will be just a food trip!
all my friends think I'm with somebody, doing things that I usually don't. Find my way through the
Menchika.
make the same when I'm on my own. And it's the end of the night, feel like you're dodging my eye, but then you're right by my side, tell me it's all in my mind. You make me wanna be with somebody, doing things that I usually don't. Find my way through the hotel lobby, make the same when I'm on my own. All my friends think I'm with somebody, doing things that I usually don't. Find my way through the hotel lobby, make the same when I'm on my own.
We're now at Oishi Park, guys, and sadly, the weather was not in our favor. If the weather was clear, Fuji-san should just be right in front of us. But I'm still thankful that I got to share this moment with my son. Despite the gloomy weather, we still took photos to remember this day. And just let our imagination save the day. Hindi pa rin, no? Hi guys! Kararating lang namin from Mount Fuji. And then before kami umuwi, dumaan muna kami ng Lawson to try out some of convenient foods. Una namin binili is this grilled salmon flakes. Then we're going to partner it with their fried chicken. I wanna see kung ano mas masarap, Family Mart's Famichiki or itong Lawson fried chicken. Itsura, pareha lang. But chicken taste, let's see. Mas masarap yung Family Mart Famichiki. Bumili kami ng hot chocolate. Init pa. Sabi daw ano to, rich ganache.
Rich ganache.
Kung masarap.
Drink.
Then, ang paborito ng anak ko, egg sandwich, pero kinuha namin yung may ham. Para maiba naman. And then, this one. Milk cream with Hokkaido fresh cream.
Oh my God.
Sabi yung kapatid ko, masarap daw din to. Let's see.
You fall a long way down. The only one this town has found for me. You got something I can't afford to lose. I'm running over under the sky blue. You pull me closer and meet my view.
Gotcha.
Every single time you come around, I need a clarity I never found. I can feel your love without a sound. You got something I can't afford to lose. I'm running over under the sky blue. You pull me closer and meet my view. My view. There's no one like you. Yeah. There's no one like you. Painting my view with all that you do. There's no one like